Hello everybody, so today I want to show you how to fix this Windows computer that keep on going to the BIOS setting every time you turn on the computer. So this computer right now I have is a gaming computer that's ASUS, which it keep on bringing me this BIOS right now. So to fix this problem, you're gonna go to the security, go to the boot menu, okay? You're gonna choose the top one with this arrow right here, and then you enter. So right now you enter and you will bring to right now it's enable, so disable, and then go back with this access, and then go boot, and now you want to change the launch as CSM to enable. Okay, enable, and now go back to the save and exit. So the top one, the one is selected right now, just write enter and it enters both time, and it will solve the issue. So yeah, let's see and wait if it's fixed the issue. So it's going to the window now. Alright, I hope this video helped you. Let's see if it's turned to the window setting. Alright, now it works, so I have to install all the windows and make sure the hard drive is working. So if your computer doesn't work still and the same problem having the going to BIOS, you probably want to check your your RAM. So these are the RAM. Check if they're functioning. If you don't know which one is functioning, so you just want to take one off. Make sure it's unplug the power cable and battery to not short the chips right here. So you want to take this off and then just leave one in there and then try to reset it, see if it works. And if one of this doesn't work, try and put in the top one and then restart it and see if it works. And if none of them work, make sure this hard drive is working. So if the hard drive is not working, you want to replace this. So find out that the hard drive actually fried it, so this one actually bad. I have to replace this to this one, physical hard drive. So yeah, I used to have a SSD hard drive and it's go bad. So yeah, now it's fixed. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. Bye.